But anyway, as I was playing around, I got all 4 planets from 2 nights ago in that one clip that I have uploaded, and then I broke them apart and stacked them on top of each other, and I have crashing planets. It was really cool. And all 4 planets, they were doing really well. The only one that crashed was Venus crashed into Jupiter. So no Mars and Venus collision this time around. And that's in reference to ancient tales of when Saturn was our sun. And Saturn, Mars, and Venus were all a part of the same system, a lot closer. But then something happened and Venus went tearing off and scarred Mars, created havoc there, and there was a lot of electrical activity going on back then. The Thunderbolts project has a good, some good examples and pictures and stuff like that. I think his name is David Talbot, the narrator who has done a lot of research on it. So, anyway, that's gonna do it. We're not waiting up for that moon to rise. You must want to play silly buggers down in the trees, like Mars does. But all right, a few more pictures and I'm out of here. And I'll probably do some overlays. Maybe I'll throw in the crashing planets video in here. Anyway, y'all take care, and I hope you have a wonderful evening and a great week ahead on this end of August of a day I don't know. Bye now.